Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I did this set of nails. I started off with removing the cuticles as always, and then I just filed away the color and I shaped the nails. So that's what I'm gonna do now. You'll see. Yes, here. And I also filed away, she didn't actually have any lifting at all, so I didn't file that, but I kind of thinned out the gel. And after that I just file with my hand file. I shape the nails and I file down the gel again to make it smooth and thin and everything.
Ooh, yes, yes, yes.
When I'm done with that, I just put nail prep on the natural nail, and then I use my primer from Crystal Nails, and I'm putting that over the nail and the gel. And again, I'm putting another layer of primer, but this primer is not from Crystal Nails, it is from Ended, and it has like a tackier finish, so I kind of like to use it after the Crystal Nail primer. And then I put my base gel on, and my base gel is from Crystal Nails, and I love that it comes in this nail polish container applier thingy. It makes it so much easier, not because it was hard or anything to put it from like apply it with like a brush or anything, but still. And now I'm putting the build gel on, and she doesn't like it when the nails are like curved or anything. She likes them flat, so I put a very small amount of gel on her nail just to kind of build it up and give it strength, I guess. And then I also don't like to put a lot of gel on when it's on her natural short nails, because that makes it look so much clumpier, and I don't know, I just don't like the look. And now I'm filing the nail. I don't know what to say about this step. You already seen me do this 100 of times, so. And now I'm putting white gel polish on. This white gel polish is from Ended. I'm putting 2 layers on. I put the white gel polish on my ring finger and my middle finger, and now I'm applying a baby blue color on my thumbnail, on my index finger, and my pinky finger. So for the marble design, first you have to put a layer of top coat, and that's what I'm doing right now. And then I take my gray color gel polish, whatever you want to call it, and I put like stripes all over the nail just to kind of make it look good. I don't put it like a zebra or anything. I just put it to make it look nice, and then I dip my brush into nail cleaner and I just do that. I dab on the color kind of to smudge it out, to make it like fade. I don't know how to explain it actually. You will just kind of have to look at it and try your best to make it look nice, I guess. Sometimes it looks better than other times, so keep on trying, don't give up, blah blah, you know? now I put another top coat layer, and now I'm applying the black color because I also put black over the gray to make it kind of look real. I don't know. But I don't put a lot of the black color. I put some. Okay, now I did. I just realized I did a lot. But anyways, I usually don't put a lot of black color. I only put like, I draw some like a stripe or something in the middle just to make it look good. You see? It doesn't look that much. It's not extra. It's not too dark. So that's kind of a tip of mine. Don't make it too dark because that looks fake. Like a lighter marble is more like a real-ish marble, you know? And lastly, I apply top coat over the baby blue color, and I put my what is it called? Crystal mirror effect powder over. I don't know. And then I put top coat over it all, and this is the final result. I hope you liked this video. It was kind of a quick one, but I hope you liked it and learned something from it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.